Well, today I'm not working on a marble machine or another arm for my friend Brian, but today I'm working on the Back to the Future piece, the digital display, and I'm going to make it my own little version. As you can see, there are displays in here that are in a test mode. Unfortunately, the camera is not picking up the text very well. There we go. This one is actually not bad. So I will have 7 LCD displays, 6 of this size, and then the 7th one is this one, which is the flex capacitor, and there's going to be some other information on that flex capacitor, and they all work now. All of the LCDs are working. They're in a test mode. I don't have hooked up the timer, the clock yet. I don't have hooked up the switches or the keypad. And the clock is coming today, or at least that's what Amazon was promising me. And then I'm gonna periodically make a video about how I was making this. One of the things I did is I'm gonna use 3mm birch wood. And so I made myself a template for the large display, which is a 4 lines and 20 text, whatever characters. And then this one is for the smaller display. And so it fits. So I'm gonna now go to the laser room and laser cutting room when I was in behind me there, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the whole panel the way it's going to look like. I'm going to also add 3 of these lit up switches. They are momentary push button switches, and they're going to do certain functions, and then of course I have to add in a power switch to power the whole thing up and turn it on and off. So that's a rocking switch. I wish it had lights in it, but it doesn't have a light in it, and the only one with lights in it are the ones I just showed you a second ago. And something funny happened when yesterday I was testing these LCD displays, and I could not get the I2C address of any of them. So I thought I maybe did something bad, and I don't know, maybe so I was looking through all the wiring and everything. Well, came to the, how would I say this, I flipped an image in my head, and just like on the Arduino, I needed to hook it up to analog 4 and 5, but when I flipped it over and I was plugging it in, I plugged it into a digital 4 and 5, and so therefore that wouldn't work, of course. So all kinds of little problems that you have to overcome when you're making all kinds of projects. None of them go straightforward, very usually you have to solve some kind of a problem. So hopefully the next part of the video is going to be more right after I mount these onto the panel. And then I'm going to start adding more features until I run out of pins on the Arduino Nano. That's what I'm using, is just an Arduino Nano. And hopefully it's going to look decent, and you guys will like it. Well, until then, you have a great and fantastic day.